Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Discovering Success, Uncover Your Purpose, Passion and Path. Lecture 1. Introduction to Discovering Success. Discovering Success, an introduction under the concept of success. The connection between purpose, passion, and success. Defining success on a personal level. Identifying common barriers to discovering success. Setting goals for course and personal growth. Discovering Success, an introduction. Success is a concept that everyone strives for, yet it can be elusive and difficult to define. It's not just about achieving wealth or fame, but rather finding fulfillment in life and reaching your full potential. Discovering success is a journey that requires self-reflection, hard work, and perseverance. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life and lose sight of what truly matters. That's why it's important to take the time to explore what success means to you and how you can achieve it. By doing so, you'll be able to live a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Understanding the concept of success. Success is a concept that can mean different things to different people. For some, it may be achieving financial stability or professional recognition, while for others, it may be about personal growth and fulfillment. Ultimately, success is about fulfilling one's aspiration and goals. It is important to understand that success is not a one-size-fits-all concept. What success means to one person may not necessarily be the same for another. It is important to define success on a personal level, based on one's own values and goals. This allows individuals to pursue their own unique path towards success. The connection between purpose, passion, and success. When we have a purpose in life, something that drives us and gives us direction, it becomes much easier to achieve success. This is because our purpose provides us with motivation and helps us stay focused on what really matters. Similarly, when we pursue our passions, we are more likely to find fulfillment and happiness in our lives. When we do what we love, we are more likely to put in the effort required to excel and succeed. Defining success on a personal level. Success means different things to different people. It's important to define what success means to you personally, based on your values and goals. Your definition of success should be unique to you, and not based on external factors such as societal expectations or other people's opinions. To create a personal definition of success, start by thinking about what truly matters to you. What are your core values? What do you want to achieve in life? Once you have a clear understanding of your values and goals, you can start to define success in a way that is meaningful to you. Remember, success is not just about achieving material wealth or status. It's about living a fulfilling life that aligns with your values and brings you happiness. Identifying common barriers to discovering success. One of the most common barriers to discovering success is fear. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, and fear of what others may think can all hold us back from pursuing our goals. It's important to recognize these fears and work to overcome them.
One way to do this is to break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This can help make the process less overwhelming and reduce anxiety. Another barrier to discovering success is a lack of motivation.
It's easy to get stuck in a rut and lose sight of our goals. To overcome this, try setting small, achievable goals for yourself. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may be. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your ultimate goal. Setting goals for course and personal growth. When it comes to setting goals for course and personal growth, it's important to be specific and realistic. Instead of setting vague goals like do better in school or be more successful, try setting specific goals like get an A in math this semester, or increase sales by 10% in the next quarter. By breaking down your goals into smaller, achievable tasks, you'll be more likely to stay motivated and see progress. Another key aspect of setting goals is accountability. It can be helpful to share your goals with others who can help keep you accountable and provide support along the way. This could be a friend, family member, or even a mentor or coach. Additionally, tracking your progress and celebrating small successes can help keep you motivated and moving forward towards your ultimate goal.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.